Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 31st, 2025, and we're diving into Ventas's second quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Ventas, a leading real estate investment trust, has just released its Q2 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, especially with their strong performance in the senior housing sector.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue and profitability. Ventas reported a total revenue of $1.42 billion for Q2 2025. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
Ventas has shown a robust increase in revenue, driven by their senior housing operating portfolio. Their net income attributable to common stockholders was $71.5 million, translating to 50 cents per share. Notably, their normalized funds from operations, or FFO, per share increased to 87 cents, which is a 9% rise from the previous year.
That's impressive. What factors contributed to this growth?
The growth is largely due to strong demand in their senior housing segment, which saw a 13% increase in same-store cash NOI. This was supported by an 8% growth in cash operating revenue and a 130 basis point improvement in NOI margin.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 85 cents for Ventas based on a survey of 6 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
Ventas exceeded expectations with an actual EPS of 87 cents. This beat the forecast by 0.02 cents, showcasing their strong operational performance and effective cost management strategies.
What does this mean for investors?
Beating the EPS forecast is a positive signal for investors, indicating that Ventas is managing its resources well and capitalizing on growth opportunities in the senior housing market.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about Ventas's operational efficiencies and future outlook. What are the key highlights?
Ventas's senior housing operating portfolio, or SHOP, saw a 13% growth in same-store cash NOI. They've also increased their investment volume expectations for 2025 to $2 billion, up from $1.5 billion. This is supported by a strong liquidity position of $4.7 billion and an improved net debt to EBITDA ratio of 5.6x.
How does this position them for future growth?
With a solid financial foundation and strategic investments in senior housing, Ventas is well-positioned to capitalize on the growing demand from an aging population. Their focus on operational efficiencies and strategic investments will likely drive continued growth.
CEO remarks and strategic initiatives. CEO Debra A. Cafaro mentioned a 1-2-3 strategy for value creation. Can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. CEO Debra A. Cafaro highlighted their 1-2-3 strategy, which focuses on creating value for stockholders through organic growth, strategic investments, and operational excellence. They've improved their full-year guidance and are committed to their right market, right asset, right operator strategy, which has been instrumental in their success.
What does this mean for their strategic direction?
This strategy ensures that Ventas is investing in the right opportunities that align with their long-term goals, particularly in the senior housing sector, which is experiencing unprecedented growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Ventas has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025 with significant growth in their senior housing portfolio and a positive outlook for the future. John, any final thoughts?
Ventas's strategic focus and operational efficiencies have positioned them well for continued growth. Their ability to exceed EPS expectations and increase investment volumes is a testament to their robust business model.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ventas's performance in the comments below.